Anyways, let's start with the first one. So this is cybersecurity talent. What the fuck? Yes, so they want SOC, right? And joining PL within 30 days. This is mail ID recruiting@cybergate.tech, right? And you can drop your resume on this mail, right? If you don't have any knowledge about SOC, you can check out this group link, viehgroup.com/SOC, right? So just check out this URL if you want to learn about SOC and all, right? That's how you can do. Now next one is there's a huge requirement from a company. Okay, this is a mail ID cylinder.nimani@hotmail.com 24 into 7 shift. Windows, VMware, network, cloud, third party disk, SOC analyst, service desk manager, infra service delivery lead, NOC, and service desk manager. If you want to apply for any of these jobs, just drop your resume, right? They will let you know. Next one is someone is looking for a network engineer fresher, right? If you're fresher, if you have knowledge about networking, how switching, routing, all those things work, so you can do here. This is mail ID anjali@pragyavani.com on which you can drop your resume. And if it's there is an internship available as well. So if you're fresher, you can do internship as well. And if you're not a fresher, then you can do this job, right? So this is actually job is also for freshers, so nothing to worry. So this is for you freshers. You can apply. Okay, so this is a very good opportunity. Okay, so you can do it. I guess that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching my live show. Today was very small. Oh my god, my phone is